Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. Today we are unboxing a YSL clutch that is not the Uptown style. I haven't really seen this clutch anywhere other than Chase Amy's channel, but it was purchased from MyTheresa for a really good deal. It was about 700 US dollars, and it is a clutch that is made of a thicker leather. It's similar to what you find on a lot of the more popular YSL mini loop camera bags. The leather is very durable. This particular bag has gold hardware, and on the side is similar to a wallet on chain style. It does have a strap, which is what really drew me to it. Now this clutch I do have plans for. I did buy a conversion kit to see if I could add a chain to it, but other than that, until it comes, looking at it, you'll see that the pattern is the chevron pattern, similar to the Lulu. The button closure does have the Saint Laurent logo stamping on it. Looking inside of the bag, you'll see the Saint Laurent stamp there as well. Looking inside, there is one back pocket that is very thin. I don't think you'd be able to fit much, maybe one or two cards, receipts, but anything else would have to go on the inside pocket of the clutch. Now there's no card holder slots or anything like that, so you'd have to use a card holder, your phone, maybe your keys, and you won't be able to fit much, but we'll do another video on it. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, everyone, and thank you so much for taking a moment out of your day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.